So you can find the code for this here. It's called DREF, Drush Recipe Entity Form Integration. This is just a start, but the idea is we can select the type of website you're attempting to create, and then based on your answers, generate recipes that match. So you see it's just a prototype. At the moment, kicks out to a temp directory. If you look at what that is, turn my answers into recipe calls, or drush calls, which we could easily convert into recipe. What this would net us is then even, I'm super lazy, I just copy and paste this at the moment, and this will run through and effectively build my site. Now, there's a little more to it than that, but the nice thing with this setup, you can go into entity form types, manage fields. You see it's basically just reading off the way the name is structured. So let's say that I wanted to make one that's called like performance pack. Right, I could change it to that, and then this is the name of the recipe it's going to cook. In fact, instead we can name it something like DR Security. We don't need this field to part on there. DR Security, because that's one of them. Security pack. Right. So understands Boolean when that word comes into play. Let's do simple on-off checkbox. Okay, we're not going to have a value for that. We just want 1 and 0. Not required. Use the label as the name. All right, save. And now, what would happen? So we go back to submit. We're going to build a new website. Basically, we're going to get a new copy of Drupal core, my cool website, and yeah, we want the SEO and security packs. When we submit, you see we get the cook DR security statement comes into play. So we can open this up. Right, and then get my statements there. So that's kind of the idea of this prototype, that we could effectively abstract the majority of the crappy work that we all do into a form that anybody can fill out. Hook this into DigitalOcean APIs, and you can deploy a site pretty quickly. You might see why that would be interesting.